Anytime someone gets in my car, they always say, man, your car smells incredible. What do you use? And today I'm going to show exactly what I use, and I'll show you exactly how I apply it, okay? You can do the same. Here it is. Febreze Extra Strength Parfum Original Scent paired with Febreze Small Spaces Linen and Sky. Now, your Extra Strength Parfum, that's going to be your foundation. That's what you're going to use on your fabrics inside the car. And then the small spaces, what that's going to do, that's going to be the item that carries a scent for a prolonged period of time. Now, 3 big tips. Number 1, I don't smoke, and I rarely eat in the car, if any. And I never have open food, open containers, things like that, that will latch on to your cloth seats, especially cloth seats, your carpets, and leather sometimes. So that's a big plus as to why I don't have too many lingering scents. Number two thing that you want to do is on days that you're vacuuming the inside of your car, you want to open up all 4 doors, as you see that I have on my car. The reason why I do that is fresh air penetrates on all 4 ends of the car to naturally get rid of any scents that are almost attached to carpet. I do this at least for 20-minute intervals. You only want to do this typically during the evening times when the sun isn't out. Okay, I'm only doing this during the daytime just so you can get a visual of how I do it, okay? Well, if you do it in the sun, the scents will almost get evaporated to a degree. Take my Febreze, and I'm just gonna spray 2 sprays on the carpet, and then put my floor mat on top and spray 2 scents all the way around. Shout out to all weather floor mats. These things make a big difference. Reason being is whenever it rains, right, and you're stepping in water, mud, grass, all that will have a long lasting effect on your carpets. Carpets absorb, they literally just absorb all those scents. So as you get those grass chunks out or dirt chunks out, the scent prolongs. So these things save me a lot of time. I just spray off my floor mat, vacuum, I win, okay? Invest in these, they make a big difference. So let's finish up. Just put these down. And that's it. The very last piece, we're gonna put in one of the small spaces inside of my car. Now, when you put these in, make sure they stand up. They work best when they're in an upright position. So let's go and take this out and put it inside the car. Just make sure you press this button on the back and it's ready to go. Boom. Oops. And that's it. It's a 5-second job. Anybody can do this, okay? Let's go over the 3 big things. 1, clear out all trash, all foods. 2, open all doors, allow air to circulate through and naturally get odors out, okay? It's almost like, think of like spraying cologne or any type of spray and not taking a shower. You just, you have trash and you're trying to disguise it with a scent on top. It won't work. And the very last thing is you want to spray your fabrics. I have leather seats. I didn't do that. I spray my carpets and the floor mats, okay? Paired with adding one of the small space Febreze pieces in the car. Now, when you start driving, obviously, if it falls down, no big deal. I actually just put it in one of my cup holders, leave it be. When I get back home or get to the office or wherever I'm going, I put it in an upright position, right? And then when I come back in the car, I put it down and do what I need to do, okay? And that is all. It takes 5 seconds. Anybody can do it, okay? Take care.